How to make money taking surveys. Online surveys offer a convenient avenue to bolster your income and accelerate your financial objectives. The top legitimate survey platforms encompass branded surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site boasts distinct availability, age requirements, and payment modalities. When selecting survey platforms, factors to contemplate include reputation, survey abundance, and payment mechanisms. To maximize your earnings, ensure to complete profiles thoroughly, leverage complimentary offers, and prioritize surveys with the most lucrative payout rates. Implementing best practices such as establishing a separate email address, taking intermittent breaks, and installing antivirus software enhances your survey-taking experience. Recognize warning indicators of potentially dubious survey sites, such as membership fees, scant customer feedback, solicitation of private data, and arduous qualification procedures. Rest assured, surveys for monetary compensation are authentic endeavors typically requiring 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms provide instant cash rewards or bonus points upon registration. Corporations remunerate individuals for survey participation to amass market insights and glean consumer perspectives. Dive into the realm of online surveys, where your opinions not only matter but also contribute to your financial growth.